Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Today I am making halim mix. For this here I have taken white lentils or mash dal, half cup, masoor dal, half cup, rice, half cup, moong dal, half cup, chana dal, 1 cup, and wheat grains, 1.5 cups. Now here in this skillet I will add all the grains. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. All the pulses and rice and wheat. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. And now I will wash them and I will soak the grains overnight. Now last night I have soaked all the grains, and here in this skillet I have heated 1 cup of oil, and in the oil I have added 2 sliced onions. Now I will fry the onions till they turn light golden in color. Now meanwhile the onion is frying, let me show you other ingredients. Half kilo of boneless chicken, 1 heaped tablespoon of ginger and garlic paste, 3 black cardamoms, salt to taste, 1 tablespoon of turmeric and 2 tablespoons of red chili powder. Now this onion is light golden in color, and now I will add in chicken. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. And I will cook chicken till it changes color. Now see, chicken has changed the color, and then just lightly crush this. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. I am doing this, but this step is totally optional. And now I will add in ginger garlic. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. After adding ginger garlic, I will stir this for 2 minutes. Now here I have stirred the ginger and garlic with chicken and onion for 2 minutes, and now I will add in all the spices: chili powder, salt and turmeric. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. And after adding spices, I will stir this for 2 minutes again. Now I have cooked the chicken with spices for 2 minutes, and now comes the most interesting part. Now I will add in all the grains. Now along with the grains, and I have added the same water in which I have soaked the grains. Now along with the grains, I will add these black cardamoms. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Now usually when we make halim, chicken or meat is separately cooked, the grains are separately cooked, and then those two cooked things are combined together and cook for some more time. But this time I have added everything together in the pot, and now I will leave this to cook covered on medium flame for 1 hour. Now after 1 hour, I have removed the lid from the skillet just to see, and see slightly water has reduced. I will stir this, and all the lentils, these grains, chicken, everything should be cooked completely till they are tender, and this water should be evaporated, and this mixture should become a thick and smooth paste. And here in the other pan I have added 3/4 cup of oil. 1 cup I have already added in the chicken masala. Now this is the 3/4 cup of oil, and in the oil I will add 3 onions sliced. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. I will fry the onion till they turn light golden in color. Now meanwhile the onion is frying, here I have to make a spice mix. And for the spice mix, here I have taken 1 tablespoon of garam masala powder, 1 tablespoon of black pepper and 1 tablespoon of cumin powder. And here I have taken half cup of water. Now in this water I will add the spices. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. I will mix them to make a paste. Now onions are fried, so I have taken them out in a plate, and this oil is left. I am removing the lid of this skillet Just give it a good mix. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. See how thick it is? This is what I wanted. And in this halim, now I will pour the leftover oil in which I have fried the onion. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Okay, one thing I have done, I have discarded the cardamoms, but if you want, you can leave them. And along with the oil, I will add this spice mix. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. And now I will cook this for 2 minutes. Now it's time to finish this halim. So here I have fried the onions. I have taken one large piece of ginger and cut this into juliennes. Juice of 4 to 5 lemons, 1 bunch of coriander leaves and 12 to 15 green chilies. Now after adding oil and spice mix, I have cooked this for 2 minutes. Now I will add in ginger. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Lemon, green chilies, onion, and coriander. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. I will mix this, and at this stage this is done. Alhamdulillah, very different style of halim mix is ready to be served. I hope you like this video. See you soon in my next video inshallah. Till then, fi amanullah, take care and Allah Hafiz.